calm and relaxing. I had to buy a new pressure washer after my Husky from Home Depot failed after I think about 12 or 13 years. It's been a good pressure washer, electric. This one's another electric as well. The price point on this was $199 on sale at Home Depot. So this is a 2000 PSI 1.2 GPM. The wheels, you got your wine, there's the hose, there's the detergent tank. There's part of the wand extension. Patio I want to clean off. It has some pretty good stains. One thing I do like too is this little GFCI circuit breaker. Gives you a little lead to plug into an outside box like this. My Husky had the prongs built right into the box, so you had to always have a small extension cord. It's a little flimsy, I'm sure they have a little play in it, but I hope that cast piece doesn't break off. Get the air out. I'm going to use this turbo. If it's like the Husky, it's got like a circular pattern. Let's turn her on. Okay, let's give her a shot. Let's turn her off, and we'll see if we can get more air out. You can kind of see that pattern. It almost have like a little ball bearing in there. It spins it around just like my last one. You got to get all that air out before you power it up. Let's power it up again. Hopefully we'll get full power now. just the first pass. I don't know if I really need to do it again. It's like after many years of not being washed, with lots of work on the deck with dirt and ground in probably mold and mildew for years. So it's looking really good after just without any detergent, no brushing, just the power washer. Ryobi's doing really well. Very nice. One thing that might be disappointing is I was kind of hoping to have this hose reel. I thought it was going to wind up, but you have to disconnect the hose. I do like having the wand holder. There it is, Ryobi. Wheels around nicely. So I think that's a good part right there. If I could give you one thing of advice, don't get one with narrow wheels, because this thing just wants to fall over. You just carry it all the time. My recommendation is I like the Ryobi with the wheels far apart in a cart type setup versus a narrow wheel, tall, top heavy, unstable, because this thing would always fall over. This has been Jim with Calm and Relaxing. I hope this has been helpful to you if you're looking for a pressure washer. We'll see how it works out. Take care.